Novice fisherman here, and this creek is full of trout. That's right. I've seen fingerlings 6 inches to 8 inches. I even saw 2 dinner-sized trout, which means, you know, one of those trouts and a side of vegetables and potatoes is a full meal. That's right. I don't catch and release. I eat these fish, ladies and gentlemen. I like trout. It tastes good, and it's good for you.
This is the Grimm hand fishing card, made in the USA from the people over at Grimm Workshop Survival. This hand fishing card is designed to operate both as a fishing line spool and an independently operating hand fishing reel. 2 different designs are available, complete with a selection of lures attached to it. This tool is the same size as a credit card and fits into your wallet. Now that is what I call a dinner-sized trout, ladies and gentlemen, right there. Now this trout here grew up in this stream from a fingerling. It has stream smarts. It is not going to be easy to catch. Okay, first thing we'll do is put some power bait on the hook here. Whew. I don't know if you've ever smelt this stuff before, but smells like a cat litter box that hasn't been cleaned for a year, and someone came in with a bucket of rancid sardines and anchovies and throw it in there and mixed it all together. It's got quite a smell. Power bait, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think anything else quite smells like power bait. This is extra scent trout bait, Chroma Glow, a rainbow. Look at the sparkles. Ooh, look at the colors. I'm gonna name this fish Big Earl. This is the biggest fish in the pond. I'm gonna call him Big Earl. I'm not able to catch the fish, so I'm giving them names. They're going to be my pets. If I can't catch them, nobody can. I'm going to guard this stream. Nobody's going to catch these fish. I'm walking in the stream. I'm walking where the trout swim. I'm getting to know my prey. The drop off right here gets deep. There could be sharks, so I'm not going to go in there. And, you know, there's always sea monsters. You know, I don't know what's in there, a rotting body of some sort, you know. The rapids, the water is moving swift. Don't want to lose my balance and fall down right here. We're going into the rapids, ladies and gentlemen. We're going into the rapids. Here we go. Oh, into the rapids. Onto this log. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. No luck for the novice fisherman using the Grimm Workshop Handcaster fishing line, drop line. I think it's a great little gizmo. It's a lot of fun, but I am very inexperienced and I have not caught a fish. But more importantly, I believe that power bait is the wrong bait to be using in this situation. This is for stock fish, and these fish in here have grown up in the stream, and they have what is known as stream smarts. I've been watching the fish, taking pictures of the fish, trying to catch the fish, and what I need is natural prey, either insects or mealworms or maybe good old-fashioned salmon eggs. I'm 40 miles from a bait shop, so I might try swatting a couple flies and try to catch them with that, but I think I'm going to upgrade to a fishing rod also. But these fish are for the frying pan, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to eat Big Earl and his entire fish family. I'm going to turn him to a fish fry. That's right. You know why? Because trout is good for you and it tastes good. Who am I? Novice fisherman out.